Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to down this controller. This is how that easy I did. I just want to show you guys again. Okay, this is controller. You just with this part, or you have something like that, you can do down. I do with the nail. If you don't have nail, you can use any kind of like this plier, something like that. Easy. Okay, you do this like that, come out, and then with this part you just go down, do like this and take this out. One, I'll show you again. Just put all the way down and do like this. It's gonna come out. Just one. There's, you can see there is 2 clicks. You just 1, 2. That's it. And there is the 4 screws. You just this one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nope, we drop down right here. And after that, with this, we go like this, and same way to other side. That's it. Pretty simple. Make sure all the clicks is come on. Yes, on it come on. From this part you gotta be so gentle because there is a click, 2 more click. Those are gotta be come out. 1 and 2. Come out like this way, and then now from the top pull up like this way, is come out that easy. So here's the battery. First, what we gotta do, you gotta remove this battery off. There's 1 screw,